Namaste everyone. So today I would like to explain about each Pandav's wives and their children. I have gone through many sites and books. So the information I have collected, I will be explaining it. First, we will go through the father of Pandavas, that is Pandu, son of Vichitraveer and the brother of Dhritarashtra. So his first wife named Kunti, the princess of Kunti Bhuj. Her sons are Yudhishthir, who is born through blessings of Lord Yama, the god of death. Second son Bhim. He has been born through the blessings of Lord Vayu, the god of wind. Next son Arjun. He have been born with blessings of Lord Indra, the god of thunders. Next wife, the second wife named Madri. She is the princess of Madra kingdom. Her sons are Nakul and Sahadev, the twin brothers. They are born through blessings of Ashwini Kumaras, the god of medicine. So first we will go through Yudhishthir. Now, Yudhishthir. He believes in Dharma and he is the emperor of Indraprastha, later of Hastinapur. His first wife named Draupadi. She is the princess of Panchal kingdom and she is the common wife of all the Pandavas. So they both had a son named Prativindya. He is the eldest of the Upa Pandavas. In the Kurukshetra war, he fought with Shakuni too. Now, they both also have a daughter named Sutanu. She is the eldest sister of Prativindya. She was married to the eldest son of Krishna and Satyabhama. Their son name was Banu. Their marriage was mentioned in Harivamsha Purana too. Now we will go through Devika. Devika, she is the second wife of Yudhishthir. She is the princess of Sivi kingdom. They both had a son named Yadheya. Now Bhim. He is the second son in the Pandavas and he is considered to have the strength of 10,000 elephants. His first wife named Hidimbi. She is the sister of Rakshasraj Hidimba. They both had a son named Ghatotkacha. He is a well-known warrior. Bhim's second wife Draupadi. Their son is Sutasoma. He excelled in archery and mace fighting and great warrior like his father. Bhim's third wife Valandara. She is the princess of Kashi kingdom. Their son name is Sarvaga. Now we'll go through Arjun. Arjun played a key role in the Kurukshetra war. He is good at archery. He defeated and killed many great warriors like Bhishma, Karna, Susharma, Jayadratha, etc. And he is a close friend to Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna taught Bhagavad Gita to him on the starting day of Kurukshetra war. His first wife Draupadi. They both have a son named Shrutarma. He is also good at archery like his father. He gave a good fight to Dushasana and Ashwadhama in Kurukshetra war. They both also were having a daughter named Pragati. In some texts say that Arjun has missed his daughter's childhood. Pragati was married to a saint in the Panchal kingdom. Arjun's second wife, Ulupi, she is a Nagakanya. They both were having a son named Airavan. He is also a great warrior. Arjun's third wife, Chitrangada. She was the princess of Manipuri kingdom. They both were having a son named Babruvahana. Arjun's fourth wife, Subhadra, and his favorite wife. Subhadra is the sister of Lord Krishna and Balrama. They both were having a son named Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu and Ghatotkacha were well talked across India about their fight in the Kurukshetra war. So now we'll go through Nakul. Now Nakul. He is the most handsome in the complete Kuruvamsh. He is good at sword fighting. He is the one who could speak with birds and animals and he could also treat any type of disease. Now we'll talk about his wives. His first wife Draupadi. They both had a son named Sathanika. Satanika had in Kurukshetra war, he massacred the complete army of Kauravas, Ali Bhuttakarma as well as Bhuttakarma, and he also killed a prince of Kalinga. Nakul's second wife, Karenumati, she is the princess of Chedi kingdom, and she is also the daughter of Shishupala. They both had a son named Miramitra. Now we will talk about Sahadeva. Now Sahadeva, he is the wisest in the Pandavas, and he has the ability to know the future. Now we will talk about his wives. His first wife, Draupadi. They both had a son named Shrutasena. In the Kurukshetra war, he gave a good fight for the great warriors like Dushmuka and Dushmanara. Sahadeva's second wife is Vijaya. She is the princess of Madra kingdom. Now, they both were having a son named Suhotra. Later, Suhotra became the king of Madra kingdom. This is the information of Pandava's family. Jai Shri Krishna.